Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see. We have Queen of Wands, Page of Swords, and the Hangman in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe you are someone who is responsible, who is working hard, trying your best, putting in lot of efforts and talents, using all your talents. But the people around you, maybe in your work or maybe in this relationship, the person you are in relationship with, maybe they are quite selfish and they are not concerned about you and they have their own welfare in their heart. So some kind of difficulties because of that, guys, and you feel that you cannot trust this person anymore and you want to find out more about them. For some of you Sagittarius, I see that you are in a new relationship with this person you love. You like them a lot. You are really attracted to them and you feel that you want to be in this connection with this person, but it is really hard for you to understand them because they are someone new and you want to find more about this person. Maybe for some of you, you are trying to find out more about them from your common friends. Maybe you have common friends. You are trying to find out their secrets, what they are, where they were, and their past relationships, and finding out more about this person. And for some of you, you are even trying to spy on this person. Maybe this may be your energy towards them or their energy towards you. Maybe they want to know your secrets and they are spying on you, or you want to know their secrets and you are spying on them. Maybe you want to know them better. That may be the reason, guys, or they want to know you better, have a better understanding. But instead of spying or instead of asking your common friends or someone who knows about them, you can ask them, have a open heart communication, guys. That will be the right thing here. That is what I see, guys. And also this, with this person you have a very great attraction and you share a very great bonding. There is some kind of a bond you have with this person. That is the reason you do not want to let go of them, guys. So you want to make this relationship work. That is what I see, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It's Knight of Cups. So with this card in your situation today, guys, maybe there is someone coming to meet you. Maybe this may be your person you love. Maybe you are interested in this person and they are coming to visit you surprisingly. Or for some of you who are in separation from your person you love, this past person is coming to visit you. Or if you are single and if you are interested in someone, maybe you have not spoken your mind to them but you are just interested. Maybe they are paying you a surprise visit. So some kind of a messenger or a message or a surprise visitor is there for you today, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Seven of Swords. So in your work situation, guys, there are people trying to use your skills and talents or use you financially. So if that is the case, you have to be really careful, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the card. For those who chose this card, it says TikTok. So this card just means that there is a divine timing working in our situation, guys, working in our life, and we need to understand that whatever is happening in our life, we should let go of the need to shape each and every moment according to our expectation, knowing that what is ours will always be ours, and there is no need for us to worry, no need for us to make a lot of efforts for that, because what is destined to be ours will always be ours. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So the same way in our relationship, we have a particular cycle, guys, each and every one of us, just like the cycle, the physical cycle of our body, it has a particular productive cycle. The same way our love, whatever is preordained, cannot change. So everything has its season, and at the appropriate timing the right relationship will come towards us, and we will be in we should just be ready to receive it, nurture it and enjoy it at that time, at that right time. And we need to understand that this clock is eternal and it ticks according to the beating of our heart, guys. And the love that is destined to be with us will always be on the right time, and we need not worry, guys. So at the right appropriate timing, everything will be ours and we can relax and no need to worry. So maybe in your life today, you are expecting certain things and you are worried that you are losing time. Maybe right now you just have to relax, just see what is going on in your present life and be happy for what is happening today and be content with that, because at the appropriate timing whatever you expect will come true, but you need to just wait, guys. That is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it is cooperate. So with this card, it just means that we have to be more cooperative. We have to have that sense of community in our life, guys. So at times of difficulty, we always work with people. We cooperate selflessly and we help to build our family and community. And when we work with people, it helps us to go over the differences we have with each other. It helps us to build bridges where there was only division in our life. So the same way in your relationship today, maybe it is time for you to cooperate with this other person. Maybe guide them or help them out in whatever way possible. You need to work together as a team, encourage each other's skills and talents and work together so that way great things can be achieved in your life for you. And when you work together, when you put both your strengths together, you become a very strong team, and you are able to find better solutions for yourself. And when you work together with this other person in this relationship, maybe you are having some troubles in this connection, you want to change the way things are, you need to go for this attitude, guys. Work towards that problem to solve it together, with both of you giving inputs, so that way you will be able to find a better solution for the troubles you are facing in your relationship today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose the second card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.